अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब? खैरियत से हैं? जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, मेरा नाम अली है और ये चैनल है हमारा व्लॉगिंग। इससे हम क्या करेंगे, व्लॉग। तो दिस इज डे ट्यूसडे मॉर्निंग, and that day we will do some tasks as some work in fields. Hope you will enjoy this channel. First of all, I want to tell you about my holiday activities, in which first of all, study is my first priority. After that, I will do some field work, and then I will sleep. After that, around about 2 a.m., then again I start some else work. But the purpose of vlogging is to see you the beauty of village environment. There is completely silence. Only birds' voices are here, and this is, hope so you will enjoy it. This is cotton field. This is flower of cotton, and this is fruit of cotton. I have to show you. This is okay. This is fruit of cotton, and this is view. And there's voices of crow. You know, thirsty crow, and this is like a thirsty crow, and this is here. Okay, no, we go to forward, and I show you something more. How's beautiful! It's better than human, that they have a proper line. Okay, next. This is a tree which is called kikar. I don't know in English what's its name, but we said it's kikar. Okay, and this is environment field. Fresh air is here. Fresh environment and fresh air, fresh voices, all things naturally. I explained to you that in villages, nature is so close to us, but in cities, the city man, as it is मम्मी डैडी, वो नेचर से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर होते हैं, बट हमारे बहुत नज़दीक होती है ये नेचर, बहुत ज़्यादा नज़दीक। हम नेचर को बहुत करीब से देखते हैं. We see the nature very closely. Okay, there are some other fruit trees. This is, after that, this is, these are all fruit trees. Okay, this is cotton. This is cotton. This is, that is cotton. Okay, okay, move next. Okay, guys, we will meet you soon in next vlog. Take care and goodbye.